In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Excel for online. We'll start right in your favorite web browser. To get there, you can head to the Excel website by typing excel.cloud.microsoft into the address bar, or simply search for Excel Online and click the official Microsoft result. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in with your Microsoft account. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight in without any extra steps. On the Start page, you'll see a gallery of templates. These are ready-made spreadsheets for things like budgets, schedules, and trackers, and they're a great way to jumpstart a project. If you want a completely clean slate, choose Create Blank Workbook. That opens a fresh spreadsheet you can work on from scratch. Once the workbook is open, the layout will feel familiar if you've used the desktop app. You have your cells, the ribbon with tabs like Home, Insert, and Formulas, and the ability to enter data, apply formatting, create charts, and build formulas just as you normally would. The experience is designed to mirror the desktop, so you can get productive right away. If you're switching from the desktop version, give yourself a moment to hover over icons. The tooltips help you find the features you know. When you're ready to share or archive your work, go to File, then Export. From here, you can export your workbook as a PDF for easy viewing, as a CSV for plain text data, or as an ODS file if you need an open document format. You can also print from the File menu, use Print Preview to confirm page breaks and orientation so your sheets look the way you expect on paper. If you already have a spreadsheet on your computer that you want to use, you're allowed to open Excel files directly from your device. Just choose the option to open a file from your PC, and it will load right into the browser for editing. Along the top, you'll also notice quick access to other Microsoft 365 apps such as Outlook, OneDrive, and Clipchamp. This makes it easy to move between your email, your cloud files, and your media tools without leaving the Excel Online experience. And that's it. That's how to use Microsoft Excel for online. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.